Rear view mirror adjustment. Rear view mirrors are critical for a safe ride. If they are loose or vibrate while riding, stop and fix them. Here are a few simple steps. All you need to adjust is a 14 mm open end spanner which you will find in the toolkit of your motorcycle. First, place the vehicle on the center stand and ensure the motorcycle is in an upright position on a firm and flat surface. Slide the rubber boot to access the mirror adjusting nut. Loosen the nut and slightly tighten as per the required rear view sight. Now your rear view mirror is fixed. Ride safely.